Burn Rangers Camogie was founded in 2009, as recent as that. To have a new identity of a hurling club was something new to the area and brought a lot of vibrancy, a sense of belonging. There's just a great sense of community, something that we have embedded into the club, that we're a family organisation, we're a family orientated club, and that everybody is very welcome. At the moment I hold the role as a Children's Officer of Burn Rangers Hurling and Camogie Club. I am Carlow Chairperson for another couple of weeks, and I am also the Provincial Leinster Council Camogie Secretary, and also serve on the National Camogie Association National Volunteers and Development Committee, and also recently I was elected Chairperson Thuill of Leinster Camogie. When I got elected as Chairperson Thuill of Leinster Camogie, I was completely overwhelmed.
It's all over, and it's a wonderful victory in the Premier Junior All-Ireland final by Carlow.
I have been honoured to have been involved in Carlow Camogie. That day was a special day for me. Just to be on the sideline in Croke Park on the 11th of September 2016 and see fruit pastel jerseys, Carlow jerseys, and the cup being raised and following up to Carlow being belted out across Croke Park was a great day for me and probably one of the highlights of my involvement. One of the reasons as well why I got involved at county and provincial level was to ensure the structures are in place for female sports. And I feel if we have the structures in place both provincially, nationally and at county level, we can create role models and we can bring the young people, give them something to look up to and keep them involved as much as possible in camogie or in whatever chosen field, but particularly in GA sports. I do it in a voluntary capacity, and that's the one thing I like about the Camogie Association and the GA is the voluntary aspect and giving something back to your community, giving something to your organisation.
I'm absolutely thrilled, I cannot actually believe it. Such an honour to be recognised by the national associations of the Camogie Association and the GA, and I'm just so overwhelmed.